Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Thinkware U3000 Pro 2CH4K HDR dual dashcam front and rear, a high-end dashcam that boasts impressive features such as 4K plus 2K Starvis 2, Super Night Vision 4.0, and radar parking mode, making it a top choice for drivers who want a reliable and feature-rich dashcam. This product is specifically designed for drivers who want to ensure their safety on the road, with its advanced features and high-quality camera capabilities. Let me break down the specs. The Thinkware U3000 Pro 2CH4K HDR dual dashcam front and rear is powered by a high-performance processor chip with a 3-inch display size and IPS type, offering a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels with a brightness of 500 nits and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The device has a battery capacity of 3,200 mAh, with a battery life of up to 10 hours and supports fast charging at 5V/2A or 10W. The camera features a 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels for the front camera and 2K resolution at 2560 by 1440 pixels for the rear camera, with 8 megapixels for the front camera and 5 megapixels for the rear camera. The device also features 256 megabytes of RAM and comes with a 64 gigabytes micro SD card, with support for up to 128 gigabytes of external storage. The device weighs 130 grams, with dimensions of 113 by 51 by 32 millimeters, and runs on the Thinkware OS version 3.0. The ports include a USB-C port, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5 millimeters audio jack, with Bluetooth version 4.2 and Wi-Fi standard 8.0 2.11 AC, or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Additionally, the device features GPS, radar parking mode, thermal protection, and Super Night Vision 4.0, with a wide-angle lens of 150 degrees for the front camera and 120 degrees for the rear camera. In real-world use, the Thinkware U3000 Pro 2CH4K HDR dual dashcam front and rear performs exceptionally well, with a battery life that lasts throughout the day, even with heavy use. The display is clear and visible, even in direct sunlight, with a speed that handles multitasking with ease. The build quality is solid and premium, with a durable feel in hand, and the audio quality is crisp and clear, with support for voice commands. The camera captures high-quality footage, with excellent low-light performance, thanks to the Super Night Vision 4.0 feature. Real-world reviews praise the Thinkware U3000 Pro 2CH4K HDR dual dashcam front and rear for its excellent video quality, with users loving the sharp and clear footage, even at night. Users also praise the radar parking mode, which provides an added layer of safety and security, and the thermal protection feature, which ensures the device operates within a safe temperature range.